All right, so well, friends, today is Tuesday, April the 7th in the year 2020. And once you make it through today, you're already halfway through this week because remember, it's a short week because you guys have a student vacation day this Friday. So congratulations, work really hard, have some perseverance today, and make your commitment to doing your best, and you'll be halfway through the week already. So let's talk about our foreign language for today. I'm going to be using Italian. And so in Italian, I'm going to show you how they say hello. So here's how they say hello. They say ciao, C-I-A-O, and you pronounce it ciao. All right, and here's the Italian flag, which I find really interesting. If you remember from yesterday, the French flag was a blue stripe and then white and red. Well, the Italian flag is really similar. Instead of the blue stripe, it has the green stripe and then a white and a red. So it could get easily confused, but that's the Italian flag. And so in Italian, we say ciao for hello. So let's talk about the weather today. A little bit warmer from yesterday, high of 33, low of 17. Hopefully it's going to be maybe more sunny than partly sunny. But main thing is I think that all that crazy heavy wind is going to finally die down, which will be great. I'd love to get outside and go walking later. So let's talk about our holiday today, our observance today. It is World Health Day. And so I think that's really fitting considering everything that we're going through right now in the world. It's a day for us to take some time and be grateful and thankful for our health and the health that we do have. It's a day to be thankful for doctors and nurses and orderlies and lab techs, and don't forget the custodians who clean the hospitals and the doctors' offices. It's a great day to be thankful for the advancements in medicine and science and technology that help us to stay more healthy now than ever before, and that are helping us discover how we can help and treat this pandemic. So what a great thing to be celebrating today, World Health Day. And that leads me to our word of the day. Our word of the day is verger. Verger is how you pronounce that. And it basically means a condition of health. Okay, so basically you can use it in place of the word health. So you could say the young athlete was in a state of great verdure. Okay, so think about how you could use that word in a sentence. Leave it in the comments box for some dojo points today. And let's also talk about our brain teaser for today. Remember, on Tuesdays, our brain teaser is always going to be what we call a tribot. Remember, tri is that prefix that means three. So you're going to get a list of 3 words, and they have something in common. All 3 of them together have something in common. So you have to figure out, what do these 3 words have in common? So if you look at your screen, you can see your 3 words: wagon, cart, and steering. Those are your 3 words today: wagon, cart, and steering. And in the comments box, I want you to tell me, what do these 3 words have in common? All right, that's our tri-bond for today. So really that's it for me. Just a quick reminder to put that word of the day in a sentence in the comments, answer the brain teaser in the comments, dojo points for both of those. If you work in your intervention program today online, I'll go check it tomorrow morning, give you more dojo points for that as well. Okay, so we're gonna leave off with how we say goodbye in Italian. And in Italian, we say addio. All right, so I will say addio for you today. I hope you have a great day, and I will see you guys again tomorrow. Bye.